In terms of valuing one's artwork as an artist, I think it's very important to consider a few things. One, of course, is the cost of the material and the different things that you're putting into making the artwork, and that is mainly the base cost of pricing an artwork. But apart from that is the amount of labor you put in, the amount of time you invest in making the artwork, the maybe what stage you are in your career as an artist, as to how much time has gone into making your artwork. Maybe you're exhibiting now, but you have been in the practice for 10, 15, 20 years, but you have not exhibited for a while. But that also adds value to your artwork, and you're not just starting as a graduate from art school. And I think that also some artists, even though they have just begun exhibiting, but they've had a long practice as an artist by themselves. But I don't think that should be discounted because you're not fresh off the boat from art school. So I think, there is a difference in pricing your work in that as well. And then, of course, you add all of that. And in the end, it's also you value the image that you create at the end of it. How much do you think something would sell in the same, as your contemporaries are at the same stage as you? You kind of analyze and gauge that as well. I think you see what other people are doing, how much they're selling their work. And I think it comes as a, kind of analysis of all these different factors and then put together as to how much you want to sell it. And then you discuss it with the gallery, I think, as well. Ultimately, that also happens if you're represented with the gallery and you have a mutual discussion and you then arrive at something.